Hello, welcome to the session on ASP.NET. In today's video series, we will learn a very important topic, how to add checkbox in Gridview and delete data through the checkbox. You know, checkbox is a very important role in Gridview. Through the checkbox, you can delete the selected data according to yourself. Not only that, if you want to delete the entire data at once, you can also do that too. So how this checkbox work in Gridview, today we will learn. So without delay, let's get started. Here I have already taken a Gridview control and also display data in it. So let's see the design how the data is displaying in Gridview. See, data is visible in Gridview, right? If you don't know how to retrieve data from database and display in Gridview, I will give a link in the description below and you can watch from there. Now I will show the checkbox here. So let me show you how to add checkbox in Gridview. So come back to Visual Studio, click on source. So first type here template field inside columns. Now type here header template. Now paste here checkbox control inside header template. So click on toolbox and double click on checkbox. I will change the name of this checkbox. Okay, so CHK header. Now type here auto postback equal to true. Why I wrote here auto postback true, I will tell you further. Okay, so now type here text equal to select all. Now Ctrl plus S, save and execute. See, header checkbox displayed. Okay, now I will display here checkbox in all rows. Come back to Visual Studio, enter. Now type here item template. Again click on toolbox and double click on checkbox. And I will change the name of this ID CHK empty. Now Ctrl plus S, save and refresh browser. See, checkbox is visible in all rows. Now I can select the checkbox individually. When I click on select all, then all checkbox are not selected. So for this we will have to write some code. Okay, so come back to Visual Studio. So first we have to write a code in item template checkbox chk empty. Type here onChecked changed equal to create new event, double click, and now right click here chk empty check change and view code. Type here checkbox and the variable name I will type here chk status equal to checkbox sender semicolon grid view row equal to grid view row chk status dot naming container semicolon. Now I will write a code in header template checkbox chk header. Type here on checked changed equal to create new event, double click, right click and view code and type here checkbox and variable name I will type here chk header equal to checkbox gridview 1 dot header row dot find control double quotation mark and type here this ID name, copy and paste, Ctrl plus V, semicolon, enter and now type here for each grid view row in grid view 1 dot rows bracket close, enter, curly braces and close curly braces and now type here checkbox and variable name chk row equal to bracket open checkbox close row dot find control double quotation mark and type here this name, this is this ID name, okay, so copy and paste here, Ctrl plus V, semicolon. Now I will define here if else condition, okay, if chk header dot checked equal true, enter. If the condition is true, then chk row dot checked equal to true, semicolon. Now in else condition, else, enter, curly brace open and close and type here if the condition is false, then type here chkraw dot checked equal to false semicolon. Ctrl plus S save and execute. See, when I click on select all, then all checkboxes are selected at once, right? Now I will talk about auto post back. So come back to Visual Studio. A while back I told you why I wrote auto post back here, right? So let's say if I remove the auto post back from here, then what results? Ctrl plus S, save and execute. See, if I click on select all, then all checkboxes are not selected. Why? Because I removed auto post back, right? Again come back to Visual Studio and type here auto post back equal to true. Now Ctrl plus S, save and execute. And now if I click on select all, then all checkboxes are selected. So that's why we'll have to write auto post back equal to true. This was how the checkbox are added in Gridview. Now what I will do here, I will delete the data through checkbox. I mean through the checkbox. Now I will delete data individually, group and entire. You can also delete the entire data at once. How? So first we'll add here image button, okay, top for delete. Okay, now come back to Visual Studio. Now I will add image folder. Right click on Gridview demo, add and click on new folder. So I will type here images. Okay, now download delete icon and paste here inside image folder. Okay, copy. I already downloaded. Okay, now paste here. I will show the image button, I mean the delete button on top. Okay, here. So type here tr td and paste here image button. Click on toolbox and double click on image button. I will change the name of this ID btn delete and type here image URL equal to pick URL and select image. Okay, now Ctrl plus S, save and execute. Fine. Now I'm gonna write a code behind image button. Okay, I mean through the checkbox I will delete data. Okay, so now come back to Visual Studio. In delete button we have to write code. Okay, so type here on click equal to double click on create new event and now right click here and view code. Remember that first pass the connection string in web config. Save. Okay, and type here some namespace. using system.data, using system.data.sql client, using system.configuration. Okay, after that type here for int I equal to 0 semicolon I less than gridview1 dot rows dot count semicolon I plus plus bracket close curly brace and close, and type here checkbox variable name chkdelete equal to checkbox gridview1 dot rows. So value initialize 0. I mean I equal to 0. Okay. So type here I dot cells 0 dot find control double quotation mark and type here chk empty. This okay, copy and paste here Ctrl plus V semicolon. Now type here if else condition. Type here if chkdelete dot checked int id equal to convert dot to int 32 gridview1 dot rows I dot cells 1 dot text semicolon. Now type here using SQL connection con equal to new SQL connection bracket open and close, and type here configuration manager dot connection strings double quotation mark and type here the connection string name. Open web config and see this connection string name. Okay, copy and paste here Ctrl plus V dot connection string curly brace open and close, and type here con dot open now type here SQL command cmd. Through the SQL command we can delete the data. New SQL command double quotation mark and type here delete query, delete from the table name. The table name is customer TBL. Okay, copy and paste here, where the customer ID, CID equal to single quotation mark, double quotation mark and plus plus, and type here this ID name, comma, con, semicolon, cmd dot execute new inquiry. Semicolon, Gridview1 dot edit index equal to -1, semicolon, con dot close, semicolon. Now exit for loop. After 3 curly braces, you have to write here gvidvie, semicolon. This is a name of this, okay. Now Control plus S, save and execute. First I select individual checkbox. I select one checkbox and delete. Here I will delete the record of customer whose customer ID is 5. Click on delete button. See invalid object name customer TB. Sorry, I forgot to write here L alphabet, right? TBL, okay. So write here L customer TBL. Control plus S, save, stop and execute again. Select 5 customers ID, okay. Now click on delete. See the record of customer ID 5 has been deleted, right? Now I will select the group checkbox. I select more than one checkbox and delete. I will delete the customer ID 3 and 6, okay. Now click on delete. See 3 and 6 customer ID has been deleted, right? Now I will select entire checkbox. So click on select all. See all checkboxes are selected, right? Now click on delete button. Refresh. See entire data has been deleted. So in this video series you learned how to add checkbox in Gridview and delete data through checkbox. I will catch you on next video. Till then, stay and connected with our channel DawaCIT. Thank you so much for watching.